Hello, today in Learn kvCORE in under 10 minutes, we're going to be talking about custom pages and how to add a page to your website and the top in the navigation bar. So go ahead and log in to your kvCORE platform. And the first step, it's going to go a little fast because there's quite a few steps. And we're keeping these under 10 minutes. So you'll be able to watch it over and over again and follow along. So the first thing you're going to do is go hover over your icons. Again, if you hit the hamburger menu, it'll pop out. We're going to come to Web and IDX. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down, hover over it, and come to Website Content. From here, we're going to go to Custom Pages and go to the far right, and we're going to hit New Page. So the important thing to note is category is what it says at the top in the navigation bar. So if you want it to say market reports, if you want it to say buying a home, if you want it to say selling, buying, selling, whatever you want it to say at the top is what you need to put here. So let's put, we put buying. Okay, I'm sorry, you're going to create, this is creating a new category, so it has to go over here to the right. If you already have a category and you're creating subsequent pages to go under that category, it would pop up here like it does for our recruiting. So you want to come to create new and buying. The title is what you want it to say. Should say buying in the title here for this one, but for subsequent pages, maybe you have download your home buying guide, or if your category is selling, maybe underneath selling, you want it to say, how much is my home worth? Whatever your multiple titles are under your main category, that's what you want to go under title. And then in content, you want to put something in content for the main page if you want someone to click on that. So you might put an image here, or you might, let's say, we're going to upload an image. I'm just going to grab the first image that I want, and I'm going to hit save, and then it's going to put the image there. I'm going to make this, instead of buying, I'm going to make this kvCORE, just for fun. kvCORE. Then you scroll down, and you're going to leave the URL blank in this case, for this main first page we're creating. And then we'll come back in another video to talk about all these other options. Unless you are a team, you don't have to worry about child sites, so you can just leave that alone, and then you hit save. So now we have a page created. When we see it toggle on in blue, means yes to publish it, your page title, your category, your date you created it, a link to the page, and then editing it. The next step, though, is we need to now come and manage the website settings. So top right up here, manage website settings. So once you get here, you need to come to custom navigation, scroll down until you see resource categories tab. Resource categories. Remember, category was the name of the page. So now kvCORE is there. So now we can add it and hit save. It's going to take a few minutes for it to be there. So I've seen it take up to 15 minutes. So let's not worry for a little while if it doesn't show up. But now let's talk about, so for example, I will show our page where we have recruiting. So we have join us. Then we have you matter most here and meet the owners. If you want whatever populates under your main category to take them right to an external link, maybe it's an external link of your PDF for your buying guide, maybe it's a video, maybe it's a page with open houses, you would come and just, whatever the URL that you created for whatever page or PDF or whatever it is, you want to copy and paste that URL because we're going to need it. So paste it somewhere that you can get to it in case you lose it. Then you want to come back to kvCORE, go back to the website manager, back to website content. Then you are going to go back to custom pages. We're going to create another page. So this time, maybe we'll say, join us. You matter most here. That's the title of what this was underneath the main category. So back to kvCORE. So our category is kvCORE. We want it under that title. This time, don't put anything into the content area. I know it says field is required, but once you put that URL in, it's not. So just put the URL that you copy and pasted from where you want to direct them, leave the content blank, hit save. And now we just wait for it to populate, and it will. We'll get another tab up here called kvCORE. And if you do all these steps and you don't within a couple of hours at most, go ahead and reach out to me. But that is how you create a custom page with multiple landing pages on your website. See you next time. Oh, last thing. If you decide you don't want to publish it, you can come back here to custom pages and turn the publishing off. All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.